Alright, this is a 42-inch Hampton Bay Glendale ceiling fan. This fan was installed a couple days ago to replace my old anti-grass Westinghouse Petite. I'm going to show you the light. There are 3 EcoSmart LED bulbs in there, which actually light up my room pretty nicely. I'll turn it off and turn our attention towards the fan, starting out with the low speed. For being on low speed, I can feel a somewhat good breeze from this. Next, for medium speed, I can already hear the wind noise. For medium, this is definitely a nice breeze. I already have stuff moving around in here. Now finally, high. This definitely gives out a nice breeze. It's moving a lot of air right now. Anyway, let's do a spin down. This fan, when it runs on high, I can barely hear a motor hum. On medium and low, it's just about silent, especially when it's on reverse. I can barely hear anything from it. It's better than my old Westinghouse Petite, which has made a loud humming noise on every speed, no matter if it was on forward or reverse. Plus, the bulb that was with the Westinghouse Petite was pretty dim. Didn't light up my room that well. This one does a lot better. As you can see, it's about to stop. And there you go. So that's about it for my Hampton Bay Glendale ceiling fan. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. And goodbye.